Hi and Assalamualaikum. This is our group slide presentation about subject ATF20603 Business Accounting. We are from group 11 and our company name is Bubble Brew Tea House. This is my group members that have joined me to operate the business. The first member is Norhani Safa binti Sabri, Nadiatul Sawa binti Khalid, Nur Farah Nabila binti Muhammad Noor, Shawinda binti Mazin, Jaya Lekshmi Yoga Raja, and Sylvia Anastif anak perempuan Siva Kumar. The first part is the introduction about the company and the process how we done the assignment. Bubble Brew Tea House is a small trading business established to sell bubble tea and related beverage. This company founded by a group of 6 partners who share a common interest in entrepreneur industry. After 2 years, the company has been running without decent accounting documentation. To address this issue, the company has recognized the importance of practicing proper accounting procedure. This presentation seeks to portray the accounting records for a month, and we have business transactions, ledger accounts, trial balance, and financial statements such as statements of profit or loss and statements of financial position.
Bubble Brew Tea House was established in 2023 and has been operating for 2 years. It is a small-scale bubble tea business owned by students, targeting students and young people. The business is located in front of University Malaysia Kelantan, which is a strategic location. Bubble Brew offers affordable drinks, topping, and side food suitable for students. However, the main challenge is weak financial record. Therefore, a proper accounting system is needed to ensure long-term and sustainable business growth.
This slide shows the organization chart of our company. It illustrates the management structure and the role of each position in the organization. First, the managing director. The managing director is responsible for overseeing the overall operation of the company. She sets the company's strategy direction, make key decisions, and ensure all departments work effectively together. Next, the finance manager. The finance manager manages the company financial activity, including budgeting, cash flow management, and financial reporting. This role is important to ensure the financial stability of the company. The accountant assistant supports the finance manager in handling financial records, preparing invoice, processing payments, and maintaining accurate accounting documents. The marketing executive is responsible for planning and implementing marketing strategy. This position helps to promote the company product or service and attract new customers. The admin officer handles daily administrative tasks such as document management, scheduling, and office operation. This role ensures that the organization runs smoothly. Lastly, the analysis. The analysis business data, company performance, and market trends. The analysis help management make informed and effective business decisions. In conclusion, each position in the organization chart plays an important role in supporting the success and smooth operation of the company.
On this slide, I will explain the product list offered by Bubble Brew Tea House. Our main beverage include brown sugar milk tea, classic pearl milk tea, chocolate milk tea, matcha milk tea, and fruit tea. The cost per cup range from RM4 to 5.5 ringgit, while the selling price is between RM7 and RM8.5. This pricing strategy ensures affordable product while maintaining profit. In addition, we also offer toppings such as pearl, pudding, and cheese foam, as well as snack food like waffle, french fries, and mini cake slices to increase customer satisfaction and sales.
For this business transaction, we record all the transactions for 1 month period, which is May 2025. The transactions will include the owner's capital investment, cash sale, purchases, and credit sales. For instance, the owner invested RM70,000 as the initial capital. All transactions were then posted into the ledger to find out the balance of each account, including cash, sales, and purchases. A trial balance was prepared to ensure that the total of debit equals to the total of credit. For this business, the trial balance is balanced at 123,500 ringgit, which confirms that all transactions have been recorded and posted correctly.
Good day, Dr. Ainon. Today I'll be presenting the statement of profit or loss for Bubble Brew Tea House for the month ended 31 May 2020. Before that, my name is Jayalakshmi Yugaraja and my matrix number is A2483180. Let's begin now. For this month, the business recorded net sales of RM 37,300 after deducting sales returns. The cost of goods sold amounted to RM 19,200, which includes the cost of ingredients and stocks used to produce the drinks. After deducting the cost of goods sold from net sales, the business earned a gross profit of RM 18,100. Next, the business incurred total operating expenses of RM 16,254, which consists of staff salaries, shop rent, insurance, utilities, marketing expenses, and provision for doubtful debts. After deducting all operating expenses, the business made a net profit of RM 1,846 for the month. In conclusion, this net profit shows that Bubble Brew Tea House operated at a profit for May 2025. Now, let's move on to the statement of financial position for Bubble Brew Tea House as at 31 May 2025. First, the business has non-current assets of RM 33,000, which includes shop equipment, furniture, and fittings, as well as the computer and post system. Next, the current assets total RM 53,346, consisting mainly of cash in the bank and trade debtors after deducting allowance for doubtful debts. Therefore, the total assets of the business amount to RM 86,346. Moving on to equity, the owner's equity is RM 71,446, which represents the owner's investment in the business after reading net profit and deducting drawings. Lastly, the business has current liabilities of RM 14,900, including trade creditors, bank overdraft, accrued utilities, and other payables. In conclusion, total assets are equal to total equity and liabilities at RM 86,346, showing that the business is financially balanced. Thank you very much. That is all for my presentation today.
Next will be performing of business. For May 2025, Bubble Brew Tea House achieved net sales of 37,300 ringgit, but stated a very low net profit of 1,846 ringgit, indicating that a significant portion of revenue is consumed by operating expenses. Key cost drivers include staff salaries and insurance, which together form a large share of total expenses. Management could improve profitability by optimizing staff scheduling and exploring more cost effective insurance plans. Marketing expenses is currently low at 1000 ringgit. Limiting customer reach by increasing investment in digital marketing, social media promotion, and customer loyalty programs could attract more customers and boost sales. The business also faces potential credit risk with trade debtors amounting to 1800 ringgit and an allowance for doubtful debt already made. Implementing stricter credit policies, setting clear credit terms, and actively following up on outstanding payments and help improve cash inflows. Bubble Brew relies heavily on a bank overdraft of 1000 12,000 ringgit, which increases financial risk due to interest charges. Improving receivable collection and controlling unnecessary expenditure can reduce overdraft reliance and strengthen financial stability. Despite holding a strong cash balance of 51,600 ringgit, effective cash management is essential. Regular cash flow forecasts and budgets can ensure efficient use of funds, while excess cash could be reinvested in equipment, staff training, or business expansion. Lastly, timely monitoring and settlement of liabilities such as accrued utilities and other payable will help maintain good supplier relationship and ensure accurate financial reporting. The next part will be suggestion to improvement. Bubble Brew Tea House should focus on improving its overall profitability, as the net profit for May 2025 is relatively low at 1846 compared to net sales of 37,300 ringgit. The next would be um, in addition, the business can enhance its sales performance by strengthening its marketing and promotional strategies. Currently, marketing expenditure is relatively low at 1000 ringgit, which may limit customer reach. Increasing investment in digital marketing, social media promotions, or customer loyalty programs could help attract more customers. Bubble Brew Tea House should also improve its management of trade debtors. Trade debtors amount to 1800 ringgit and an allowance for doubtful debts has already been made, indicating potential credit risk, implementing stricter credit policies, setting clear credit terms. Furthermore, the business relies heavily on a bank overdraft of 12,000 ringgit, which may increase financial risk due to interest charges. Management should aim to improve cash flow by collecting receivable more efficiently and controlling unnecessary expenditure. Although the business has a strong cash balance of 51,600 ringgit, effective cash management is still essential. Preparing regular cash flow forecasts and budgets can help ensure that cash is used efficiently. Excess cash could be reinvested in areas such as upgrading equipment, staff training, or business expansion to support long term growth. Finally, regular monitoring of liabilities such as accrued utilities and other payables is important. Timely settlement of these obligations will help maintain good relationship with suppliers and service providers while ensuring that the statement is of financial position remains accurate and reliable.
Slide is about business document for May 2025 in our company. During the months, the company issues purchase orders to 4 suppliers for beverage ingredients, site food, packaging materials, and additional goods from Mega Supplier Enterprise. Following that, the company received delivery orders for all the order items, including goods received on credit from Mega Supplier Enterprise. Throughout May, the company also issues 9 sales invoices to customers such as Cash Customer, Happy Kindergarten, and Uber Ship. Regarding credit notes, one was issued by Mega Supplier Enterprise due to damaged goods, while another was issued by UMK Event Management for the return of 67 cups of bubble milk tea. Finally, the company received payment from Overseas through a receipt as proof of payment. All these documents are important to ensure that record of purchase, sales, and payments are accurate and organized, which in turn helps with effective financial management of the company. Okay, thank you.
This group presentation has successfully demonstrated the importance of proper bookkeeping and accounting practice in a small trading business such as Bubble Brew Tea House. All of group members can stimulate the business operation by recording a complete set of accounting transactions for 1 month. This project has given us better understanding of the importance of decision-making processes, financial reporting, and company accounting records.